Hey there, fellow food lovers. Welcome to Blog and Good Food. Today we have got a treat for you. Quick and easy snack ideas that'll have your taste buds dancing in minutes. First up, let's explore some easy snack recipes. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these snacks are a breeze to make at home. Popcorn is always a crowd pleaser. Sprinkle your favorite seasonings and enjoy a guilt-free movie night treat. Create your custom trail mix with nuts, dried fruits, and a hint of chocolate for that perfect blend of sweet and savory. If you are on a health kick, these easy snacks are perfect for you. They are not only nutritious but also delicious. Dive into a creamy Greek yogurt parfait topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey, a wholesome snack that satisfies your sweet tooth. Crunchy veggie sticks paired with creamy hummus make for a fantastic guilt-free snacking option. Planning a party, these easy snacks are sure to be hit with your guests. Impress your guests with these adorable mini Capri skewers, a party favorite that's both tasty and elegant. Dive into a pile of loaded nachos with all your favorite toppings. It's a fiesta in every bite. Need a snack on the run? These quick bites are perfect for busy days. Grab a protein bar for quick energy boost during your hectic schedule. They are convenient and satisfying choice. Blend up a refreshing fruit smoothie and take it with you wherever you go. It's the perfect portable snack. Got little ones at home? These easy snacks for kids are sure to keep them smiling. Kids love peanut butter and bananas. Roll them up in tortilla for a tasty, kid-friendly snack. Mini pizza bagels are a hit with the little ones. Top them with cheese and their favorite toppings for a quick and fun meal. And there you have it, quick and easy snack ideas that are simply irresistible. Thanks for joining us on Blog and Good Food. Be sure to visit blogandgoodfood.com for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy snacking.